Forget everything you know about the Apple TV. If you think Apple's next move is just another boring spec bump, you are entirely mistaken. Right now, in April 2026, a massive leak has just exposed Apple's absolute takeover of your living room. We are talking about a total hardware overhaul happening within a matter of weeks. Apple stores across the globe are secretly clearing their shelves, and it is not because of a supply chain error. The tech giant is preparing to drop an absolute powerhouse of a device that will transform your TV into a stealthy, high-end gaming console and the ultimate brain for your smart home. This is the biggest shakeup to the Apple ecosystem we have seen in years. Let me break down exactly what is happening behind closed doors and why this launch is going to change everything. If you have been paying attention to retail tracking, you might have noticed something strange. Stock for the current Apple TV and the HomePod Mini is severely depleting everywhere. Usually, when tech shelves go empty, people blame part shortages. The industry is currently hoarding chips for AI, right? Well, that excuse does not work here. The current Apple TV runs on an older A15 chip. The manufacturing for a basic streaming box should be perfectly fine. The real reason the shelves are empty is that Apple has deliberately pulled the plug. Industry insiders, including the highly accurate Mark Gurman, report that the next generation of Apple TVs is already built. They're sitting in warehouses right this second. They are boxed up, loaded on pallets, and just waiting for Tim Cook to give a green light. You might be asking why Apple is rushing this release for April or May. Why not wait for their massive fall event in September? The answer is a massive roadblock called WWDC 2026. This June, Apple is going to push Apple Intelligence to the absolute limit. They want to show off a fully integrated, incredibly smart Siri that controls your entire house. But they have a huge problem. To run Apple Intelligence locally on a device, you need serious processing power. You need an M1 chip or at least an A17 Pro. The current Apple TV simply cannot handle it. It cannot even boot up the developer beta for these new AI features. Apple absolutely cannot announce flagship software at WWDC if zero existing TV hardware can actually run it. Releasing this new Apple TV right now is a strict mathematical necessity. Developers need this new box on their desks by May so they can actually test their apps. So what exactly is inside this new beast? Leaks confirm Apple is giving the TV a massive brain transplant. We are getting a version of the A17 Pro chip. This is the exact same silicon that powered the iPad mini about 18 months ago. It features a 6-core CPU and a 4-core GPU. More importantly, it is paired with a confirmed minimum of 8 GB of RAM. This memory bump is completely necessary to process Apple Intelligence locally. Let's be honest, this chip is completely overpowered if you just want to watch Netflix. But that is exactly what Apple wants. They want this box to act as the ultimate HomeKit hub. They want it to process your voice commands and data right in your living room, without bouncing everything off the cloud. Because of this massive jump in power, Apple is about to send a shockwave through the gaming industry. The A17 Pro chip unlocks hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This means your Apple TV will literally have the power to run major AAA console games. We are talking about massive titles like Resident Evil, Assassin's Creed, and Tomb Raider. These will not be cheap, watered-down mobile games. You will play the full versions directly on your television. While it might not completely kill the PlayStation 5, it is a massive threat. You can expect solid 30 frames per second gameplay. Apple will use their Metal FX upscaling tech to make these games look absolutely gorgeous on a 4K screen. Overnight, Apple is sneaking a casual gaming console into millions of homes. The physical hardware is getting some serious love, too. Audio enthusiasts have been begging for upgrades, and Apple is finally listening. It is highly expected that we will see full HDMI pass-through. This means home theater fans can finally get raw, uncompressed audio for their massive Dolby Atmos setups. While the beloved silver aluminum Siri remote will likely stay the same, the actual box is getting a premium facelift. For years, the Apple TV has been a basic puck of black plastic. Insider whispers suggest Apple is ditching the plastic for good. They are reportedly moving to the same premium, recycled aluminum used in a Mac Mini. We might even get color options like sleek silver or space black. You will actually want to display this on your TV stand instead of hiding it out of sight. Now, let's talk about the price and the one glaring flaw in Apple's master plan. Even with all this power, Apple is keeping the price highly aggressive. The standard Wi-Fi model should hit around $130, while the Ethernet version will sit near $150. But here is the massive catch. The base storage is rumored to stay at a measly 64 gigabytes. The higher tier will likely be 128 gigabytes. If Apple expects us to play AAA console games, this is a disaster. Downloading just one game like Resident Evil will completely vaporize 64 gigabytes instantly. You'll have zero room left for anything else. There are quiet rumors of a USB-C port for external drives, but we will have to wait and see. Apple is not stopping at the TV. Your entire smart home is getting an upgrade. A new HomePod Mini, codenamed B525, is also dropping this spring. It is jumping from the old S5 chip all the way to the S10 chip. This means Apple Intelligence will run directly on the speaker. Siri will respond with zero latency. No more waiting for the cloud. It will also feature the U2 chip for magical music handoff, Wi-Fi 6, to fix connectivity bugs, and even a rumored security mode that listens for breaking glass. All of this is expected to stay at that sweet $99 price point. There are also heavily backed rumors of an Apple Smart Display sitting in a vault, ready to ship. A cheaper iPad-like version could drop soon to fight the Amazon Echo, while a crazy premium version with a robotic tracking arm might be saved for later this fall. In my honest opinion, the new Apple TV is shaping up to be the absolute best value in tech right now. Getting an A17 Pro chip for $130 is almost unbelievable. It completely future-proofs your living room for the AI revolution. However, the storage situation is classic Apple. Offering 64 gigabytes on a device marketed for AAA gaming is a huge bottleneck, and they really need to offer a 256 gigabyte tier or allow external drives if they want gamers to take them seriously. But overall, bringing local lightning-fast Siri to the TV and HomePod is a game-changer that we desperately needed. If you like this video and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe, share the video with your tech-loving friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I will be dropping a full, detailed breakdown the exact second Apple officially announces this hardware. Let me know in the comments. Are you upgrading to the A17 Pro Apple TV, and what games do you want to play on it? Stay safe, stay tech-savvy, and I will see you in the next one.